So I'm currently in the car driving to Sean's. He's phoned me and said, you need to come here now. I have a problem. I have no idea what it is. If it's not for content, obviously I won't put this video on, but I'm very nervous. My lorry's over here, just going for MOT. My lorry has moved.
I've got a slight issue.
What have you done?
I'll show you.
You might want to stay in there though, Tim.
Why? I'm worried. I'm filming because I'm worried.
Slight issue.
Why have you called me?
Well, you know
over
about your
it?
welding that you want to doing.
What, the hinge?
Yeah, but it's gone a bit wrong, but I'll show you. Come on. I tried to do some welding.
Ah! Look at that! I like that.
You like that? Oh, hang on, that's fell off.
That should have been here. That's it. It should have been round there.
For shows. For people
Yeah.
to get
Yeah.
in. Hey, it's Rusty. How are we doing? Not too bad. What do you think? Yeah. No, I love it. I wasn't expecting this today. Sean said, can you come here? I've got an issue. That's always a bit worrying.
Well, we had a bit of a there you go, look.
Look at that. What have you got on yours?
Got a little sash.
Ah, yes, I like that.
And if you climb in,
Nice.
looks nice, doesn't it?
It does look good, Sean. So today it's MOT prep time. The R series is going for MOT tomorrow, so we've got to get it all ready. So those two marker lights there and there have got to be white for MOT. So I've got two of these. Got to tape up these amber lights as well. And that needs sorted. I think we've got to weld the changeover valve up.
Welded it shut.
Yeah.
Window tints. Put the windows down, see what happens. That's later in this video, so make sure you stay tuned to see if she passes her MOT, or whether we've got to peel the window tints off, take the exhaust up. It could be bad. Plug them. There we go. Ooh. First job done. We've now got white lights on the corners. They won't like these either. They'll never know. No. Try again. That's better. Yep, that's good. That's also good. Brake light. Yep. Fog. Yeah. Reverse. Yep. Number plate light works. Oh.
Ah, that's.
There we go.
You mean you could drive all the way to test with your windows undone?
Oh no, I'm gonna get the up and down. R series is now where the 4 series was.
We have made it in a bit further. That's so James can come in behind.
Whoa! Jesus! Take it out reverse! Well, they like this beefy flap.
I love your beefy flap.
Listen. I feel it.
You can feel it.
This is here, Kyle. You know, if you can just...
That's going to be a... You need a bit more tape.
Extra pipe work for me to polish because I like polishing. And when he does his smoke test, always the stock exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
Underglow, sir. Trouble is, because of this anaconda, we're going to have trouble getting to this leak.
Take the catwalk off.
Oh yeah, it's got to come off anyway. That's something else we've got to do.
Oh.
Because it protrudes from the steer arm.
And what time to go for MOT tomorrow?
Why is this leaking?
Oh. Oh.
We'll mop that up so we can't see that.
A leak is classified as 5 centimetres on the floor
Yeah.
over 3 minutes, I think.
And we've got to do these spring eye bushes. So we've got to do them. The greens are a bit...
You're going to put new springs on just because they're rusty?
No, I'm not doing that with this one.
Not with this one.
This one's just a look on the outside. She looks nice. Don't look underneath. The 4 series is going to be like proper. Like underneath it's going to look... This one's a working truck, so I ain't going to go too mad with it.
What work's it done this week, Tim?
None. Look how dirty it is underneath the catwalk. I'm going to give this a wash, Kyle. Good. We've got to take off all the nut covers so they can tap the nuts. We've just had the spring eye bushes delivered.
Why does it look like there's something else?
When you order spring eye bushes from Scania and you truck it in, you get a t-shirt.
Oh.
A
About him. A V8 belt. Oh.
Got that on. What's this? Chain loop?
When was the last time a lorry was chain driven?
Oh no.
Gloves?
Excited. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh god.
So when you get in
I
your
only ordered spring eye bushes.
when you get in your 730?
Little teaser there. We've got a lovely collection here.
We have got a lovely collection of my guests.
Is that a pin? What was on the
That
back?
is a pin, yes.
That looks like an expensive bag. They're the bushes.
They're your bushes.
Right, there you go, mate. I'll let you get on with that. So you've just kindly informed me.
Yep.
I haven't got any
It's missing.
spray suppression equipment. And oh look,
You've got to put it
we've
in.
got to put it in for MOT. So that's another job. I've just been to HGV Direct and got some spray suppression.
We're going to be here all night.
You love it.
There it is. No, I've got blood. That's a song.
Content, Kyle. I didn't mean to cause any harm. He's jacking up on my splitter. Not quite. We are just about to do the spring pin bushes. How are you getting on there, Kyle? Bit of pipe in the way.
Yeah, the anaconda's in the way.
James is here measuring up the spray suppression. U-bolts out. Look at them. That is how you get a spring out. We get them out of there and put new ones them in.
Yep.
So this one here especially was making a noise when I turned my wheel. So needed replacing. These here are what hold them in. Oh! It's going to be a late night, Kyle, so I got you a pizza, mate. We've got the other one back in. There we go, the other one is back in. Hey! We're having a late night feast. The pizza delivery man was a follower.
Was he a follower? Was he? What did he say? I know
He
you.
shook my hand.
I've seen you on YouTube.
MOT tomorrow.
Yep. I've got 4 tomorrow.
This is going to be a regular thing in the unit.
What? Pizza
Take
and
a-
chips.
Yep, and beers and
Oh well, I'm coming for the big
trucks.
and trucks.
I did get you something, Sean.
Oh, did you? What did you get me?
That's for you, mate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
It's your turn. You're putting the last one in.
I don't think I'm man enough, Kyle.
We'll find out.
Why do I feel like I'm breaking it?
No, you're not. Just hit it.
Are you alright with yourself? Are you alright? Or? Just had a pizza. I'm a bit bloated.
You think I've done the other 3?
I know.
No, that'll do. That'll do.
I put my first spring pin bush in. I used to be a mechanic. And as if by magic, look at that. The spring is up in there. Ooh, nice. I'm going to clean up my U-bolts. Sorry. I'm putting my U-bolt in. Look. Look at, oh, no hammer needed, mate. Straight through. I don't think I'm going to sleep tonight.
You don't think you're going to sleep?
No. I think that's tight enough. Greasing up the nipples.
Final job.
And that is 4 new spring pin bushes installed. There we go. Just a few jobs to do in the morning before MOT, and then it's D-Day. Is she gonna pass? Stay tuned. Day 2 MOT prep. I'm just tipping the cab over so we can get to the changeover valve.
He will go in the cab and he will press every switch he can
I want to find it.
to try and
Will he
find it.
really? Right. This is the changeover. Come with me, welder man. Step this way.
It's going to stay welded up.
Of course it is from now on.
There's going to be no more side pipe.
No more side pipe on the channel.
No. That is the end of that.
That's the end of that fun.
There we go.
Right.
That is it.
I'm a responsible operator, so I'm going to torque me nuts. Oh yeah. Perfect. We just need to take a little bit off this catwalk here. That took me hours. Be careful then, because they're not in there tight.
Peel them all off.
Why?
Because I spoke to my tester man this morning.
You've been for a test?
Yeah.
Did you have a pass this morning?
Yes, I did. Thank you very much. Look at that.
Look at that. Look. Let's hope we have another one of those today.
We should do. His exact words to me were,
Are you bringing Trucker Tim's truck today?
no, he doesn't even know who you are.
Oh, that's quite handy.
That is quite handy.
That is quite handy.
So what he's actually said, it's not an obligatory light. So he said, doesn't matter. He said, as long as that one, that one, that one, that one are white.
He's happy.
And he's got the standard ones down the side still.
Yep.
And the standard ones at the rear.
Yep.
Happy days.
Oh, right, okay, we'll take them off then. What a waste of time that was.
I'll give you something to do though, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, it kept me busy. Checking the headlights.
Kicks a little bit low, but they don't worry about that too much. And that one's pretty good as well.
That'll do. That'll do. Good. Excellent. She is now coming out of the shed, fully prepped for MOT.
There's gonna be a big surge of power.
Big surge of power. Oh, yeah! Yeah! The evidence is flowing away. I wash my lorry and a storm decides to appear. Every time I wash my lorry, it rains. So we're now just doing a little brake test just to make sure we're not going to fail on a brake test. So that's not me, I don't know who that is. It's time to go for Trucker Tim's MOT. Sean is meeting us there. He's already there with another truck and trailer. GL12 WUM. That is the truck where all this started for me. That was the truck we were in, and I want to buy it off Data Shredders at some point. They don't want to sell it just yet, but as soon as they do, I'm having it. The place where this whole journey started with YouTube, TikTok and everything, and I'm now following it to my first MOT on my own as an owner-operator. Weird. It'll be windows down when we get there. Let's hope it's not raining because I need them down. And he'll be like, why have you got the windows down? It's chucking it down the rain. We've got the spring eye bushes on that me and Carl spent all night fitting, ready for today. I'm pretty confident it's just these windows. It's the windows that are going to get me on. We shall see what happens. I'm nervous.
Better save the sauce.
Oh! Ow! I think that tractor and hay might have been a bit too tall. Now Sean told me to make sure you do lots of harsh braking on your way over to get plenty of heat in the brakes. I keep speeding up, then just dabbing the brakes, slowing me down. There we go. Windows down. There's Sean. Oh, put these back. God. He looks like he takes his job seriously. He'll probably put these windows up, then we're done. So let me know in the comments what you think to these guys from Rusty. They'll light up as well. And then obviously we've got these as well to put over the doors. That shows when people trying to get in and stuff. I don't have my doors open yet, but these will come in handy once I've had all my interior done. I don't want people getting in and out, and I want to show off my interior. I better tidy this up. What's he going to make of that lot?
You see me just slot that in the gap on the blind side?
No, I weren't recording. I think we're all ready.
All ready?
Does he like beefy flaps?
No.
You don't?
No. You don't like nothing.
You don't like anything? Followed a straw lorry and he was too high. I think he'll like this anti-splash. You like that?
I don't think it'll make no difference.
Oh, does he like music? I've got a good speaker system.
No. He likes a lot, to be fair.
A DVSA sticker.
No.
You won't have one of them?
No, I don't think so. I'm not really giving you a lot of
No.
a lot of goodness today.
Does he want a Trucker Tim sticker? He don't know who I am,
He
does
doesn't
he?
even know who Trucker Tim is, mate.
Oh. That's probably a good thing,
No, yeah, I suppose so.
actually,
Yeah.
in this instance. That's never gone off before. Why is the alarm going off? Oh my word. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
You pressing that thing?
That horn button.
It says panic alarm.
No, it's welded. Oh, sensible. I even cleaned all the black soot out of my side pipe. Yes. How can you understand what he's saying? And he's now definitely seen the anaconda. Yeah, he's definitely seen the anaconda. Do you want to come and look at this? You see the changeover though, didn't he? Yeah. He weren't happy, was he?
No.
We couldn't film that bit. It's all a bit tense. He's very by the book. You know what he's going to say? What? He wants to check something, but he can't because the anaconda's in the way.
Did you take the pipes off for the ram as well?
He's still tapping.
That's the loud.
No.
Did you brake test it before you bought it?
Yes. Brake test. I've done lots of harsh braking on the way over. You're good at this. See, I won't have a clue. It's like bop it.
This is like the tensest MOT.
Is this your tensest? We couldn't film him looking at the changeover because he didn't look happy, and I thought it's probably best not to put a camera in his face right now.
Yeah.
No, need a drink. Need some sugar. He took a picture of my exhaust.
Welded it shut.
Yeah, then when it goes to shows, I have to
Untack it
unweld it.
at the show.
It don't matter what I say, he's not stupid.
Hold it steady. All the way.
So now, it's just a waiting game.
We'll wait for your ticket and see what it says on it.
See what it says on it.
He was not impressed.
He was not impressed. But I think over the MOT, he's slowly warming to it.
On the top, well, we had to take it off. Shall I tell you why?
No. No.
If you look, you'll see it. So I said take it off. Pushing there and a stub axle, because we said about this before.
We got a pass, but we have got an advisory on the exhaust system, but I'm happy with that. It's a valve and trombone.
Well, that was a result for him. Got a pass. There she go. Go on, boy. Mind the curb. Right. Winch out.
No way.
Yeah, mate.
We got winch out.
Yeah, mate. You coming?
Yeah.
Come on, then.